Shadow, a healthy 12-year-old Siberian husky. But just a few months ago, this dog was immobilized with debilitating pain.
Just hunched up in a ball, crying, sad eyes, wouldn't move. When he went to the bathroom, he couldn't move out of the way of his own feces, so he's laying in his own feces. And maggots came, and we were so on edge because we saw him suffering.
He was the worst case scenario that I've ever seen. A dog who physically can't get up at all, a dog who physically can't stand to go to the bathroom, who just can't move. He had severe neurologic deficits because of the damage to the nerves. He was bad. He was in really bad shape.
There seemed to be just one option.
I mean, I even trimmed some hair off the top of his head, thinking that this is the end and we're going to have a keepsake. Me and my wife did that. Matter of fact, she had the scissors in the car. We cut the hair, put it in my pocket.
But doctors and technicians at Green Acres Small Animal Hospital had recently begun using MLS Laser Therapy to alleviate pain and reduce inflammation. MLS Laser Therapy was suggested as a last resort.
I love my dog. We spent thousands of dollars in the last year with other things. Let's go. Let's do it.
And adjust the laser.
Using the cutting-edge MLS therapy laser, Dr. Kimberly Parkhill began the treatments.
We first started by going up and down each side of his spine. The laser will go in and start to release inflammatory mediators, which the body will naturally respond to, and so it helps relieve the inflammation. It helps with the pain, any muscle spasms he has in his back. It will help with those. So over the next 24 hours, give or take, his pain in general will be less. His ability to move will be easier. It just helps, bring more stability to his back end. You can't reverse age, unfortunately, but you can try to make him feel better and be more comfortable, and this is exactly what will happen with this, is he will be much more comfortable.
Shadow received treatments on his spine and his hind legs. He responded almost immediately.
Shadow is probably best case scenario. He's the one that we hope for. These are the types of results that you would like to see with the laser, that you tell everybody about, and you hope that they get to have some more quality time with their pet.
It was astonishing because I didn't think if it was going to work, I didn't think it would happen that fast. I thought it would be a long process. They would let him out. He'd still be limping and crying and yada, yada. But no, 2 or 3 days, he was able to walk out of the hospital, into my car, back home, and we just brought him back for subsequent treatments.
One more leg, Shadow. You're doing good.
Because of MLS laser therapy, Shadow is still alive, still bringing joy to his very grateful owners.
He's back to the way we want him to be. Considering his age, we couldn't ask for anything better. He's able to go up the stairs in the deck, run around the yard. He's a poster child for miraculous recoveries.